Hi, I'm Lynn with Arrow Sewing. I'm here to help you adjust the platform height of your 3-position hydraulic sewing lift from Kangaroo Sewing Furniture so that you can enjoy a perfectly flush work surface for flatbed sewing. There's just a few steps. Go ahead and grab the following 5 items: a ruler, a tape measure, a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, and a Post-it note or piece of paper. All right, let's dive in. Place your sewing machine on the sewing lift and carefully push the platform down to the flatbed position. Place a flat surface across the lift opening. Using a ruler or tape measure, measure the vertical gap between these two surfaces. For me, it's 5/8 inch. Record this measurement on a sticky note. We'll need that for later. Remember, your measurement will be different than mine. After you've recorded your measurement, carefully move the lift to the storage position. Now let's make our way to the right lift rail of your sewing lift. Locate these 2 screws. That's the stop mechanism. It's time to adjust the platform height. Please note that some of our cabinets have an Allen head-shaped bolt. So just use the 532 Allen wrench that comes with your cabinet. And make sure you use the shorter end of the wrench. Using the earlier recorded measurement, create a mark above or below the middle of the bottom screw. In my case, I am moving up 5/8 of an inch. We're making a clear indication of how far we'll need to move the screws. Using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, carefully loosen both screws to allow the stop mechanism to move freely. Do not remove them. Now that it's loose, move the stop mechanism to your mark. Hold the stop mechanism firmly and carefully tighten the bolts to secure the position. And voila! You've just adjusted the platform height of your hydraulic sewing lift. Your custom acrylic sewing insert can now lay completely flush with your machine and cabinet, giving you the most enjoyable and comfortable flatbed sewing experience. Happy sewing!